Hi, so here we have 5 columns of data. The first, it's years 1 through 10, January temperatures, February temperatures, March, and April. Okay, this is pretend data. We're practicing. The first thing we're going to do is find the average of January temperatures for the 10 years. I'm going to come down a couple of rows, say to here, equals, because I'm going to calculate average. Wow, it'll even fill it in for me. And I'm going to select the temperatures I want to average. And then I hit return. 20.1 is the average temperature for those 10 years. Now, I would like all the averages. I want the February, March, and April averages. So all I have to do is go to Edit, Fill, and Write. I have all the averages now. Next, I'm going to make a plot of average versus month. I'm going to call January 1, February 2, and so forth. So now I have months and I have average temperatures, and I'd like to make a graph. Okay, so insert a chart. And this time I have rows, not columns. Well, let's see what happens. We want to scatter, smoothly connected, and it put the months here, and it put the temperature there. Everything looks good. We don't need a legend. It would be nice to have vertical grid lines, major grid lines. There we go. We do need titles. Let's see, axis titles, horizontal. Here we go with, let's see here, shall we call it month? And we need a vertical axis title. And let's say average temperature in degrees Celsius. Okie dokie. And we need a chart title above. Sure, why not above? And let's say test chart 1. There we go. Test chart 1. All ready to move on to the next chart. Okay, it's already over here. Good. The next thing I want to do is graph the January and March temperatures. The January and March temperatures on the same graph. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to select January through March, and I'm going to say, make me a chart. So here we go. Make me a chart. There, where are you? Where's my chart? Insert. Oh, I'm looking right at it. Here we go. Smooth connected points. And I really don't want the February. Make him go away. No problemo. I've got January and March. And I don't have vertical grid lines. I do want them. There we go. I don't have axes titles. Let's put an axes title in. This time it's months. Wait a minute, is it years? What am I graphing? Years. Silly. Years. And on the vertical, I'll just call it temperature. Temperature in degrees Celsius, or whatever units, whatever's going on, degrees Celsius. Close that up. You know, we only had 10 years. If we wanted to adjust, we could say, hey, let's start with year 1. Maybe we don't want to start with year 1, but maybe we want to end at year 10. There we go. How's that? Or some other decision about the graph. There, we have eliminated the graph we didn't want. Here's temperature versus years for January and March. We have a graph of the thing we do want, average temperature versus month. All done.